So let's look at what a diet of raw living foods actually looks like. So that it includes whole, ripe, raw organic fruits and vegetables. You would sprout the beans and grains that we do consume, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and they all greatly contribute to achieving optimal health. So this is what a raw and living food diet would look like. And let's go through some of the benefits here. They all contain naturally occurring enzymes, so the foods actually come with their own enzymes ready for us to digest them, so we don't have to use our own enzyme stores in our body. Therefore, it helps us digest them and it reduces inflammation. They're very, very nutrient rich and they're very, very alkalizing to our body, which helps us balance up our pH levels because there's so many acidic toxins within our body. So alkalizing foods are always very, very important to include. They give us a huge amount of fiber, and again, fiber is the nutrient that we need to clean the digestive tract and actually release our energy to us slowly throughout the day. It also stabilizes our blood sugar levels, lowers our cholesterol, so eating raw and living foods gives us a really great amount of fiber from that point of view. It supports our gut health and makes us feel really full, much fuller for longer, and that's due to the fact that the raw and living foods have so many nutrients. We are only hungry when our body is going and looking for nutrients. So if we're eating lots of processed foods, what we can find is that we're always hungry because those processed foods have so little nutrients in them. But when we switch to a diet which is filled with raw, living foods that are really, really nutrient rich, then our body actually needs less food in general, and we can feel very, very full by having a small amount of these foods because they're so nutrient dense.